Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Moini, my first question goes to you. What is Mrs. India all about?
So Mrs. India is a platform where we provide the best grooming, the best transformation to all the married women out there. And it's not important, it's only for the woman who wants to make a career in modeling or who wants to get into acting, but for someone who wants to be a role model, who wants to make that difference in the society, who wants to prove herself. So I think that's what Mrs. India is doing here, and of course we are looking for that best representative who can represent India at Mrs. World platform. And it's been years since we have got the Mrs. World crown in India. It's been long 20 years. So yes, we बोलते हैं ना हमने पकड़ ले ली है अभी, और मिस इंडिया, मिस वर्ल्ड, मिस्टर वर्ल्ड के बाद अभी शायद मिसेस वर्ल्ड की बारी है जो इंडिया में आने वाली है.
So just run through the whole procedure, how this works, what is it moving like?
Yeah, so the registration started like back in Jan of last year, and that's when we started receiving applications. We received around 3,000 applications, and we realized that it's very important for us to conduct auditions now. And for auditions, we traveled every corner of India. We went to Mumbai, we are in Mumbai. Then we went to Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata, and then we found some best ladies. Now, who are these best ladies? You're going to see them on stage. But one thing, when we did the audition of these ladies, they were completely different. जो हमने देखा और आज आप जिनको देखोगे उनमें आपको ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क दिखेगा. That is the training, that is the grooming we have given to these ladies. That is the training that they've gone through. And we have India's best experts who have done this grooming to these ladies.
So this is a great platform for married women. What do you have to say?
I think it's too late for me to join, perhaps, but I do think it's a great platform, and I think it just goes to illustrate that a lot of people have this misconception that when you get married as a woman, your life ends, your personal dreams and ambitions end, and that's no longer the case. And there are wonderful platforms like Mrs. World, Mrs. India World, who will support your dreams. If it's modeling, acting, whatever your ambitions are,
Yeah.
it will give you that push that you need. And there were 3,000 applicants who wanted to compete in this
Yes.
competition. And it's been very hard for them to slowly cull that number down to 51 that we have today. So I'm very excited to meet the ladies. I know that there's going to be a lot of talent and it's going to be hard to choose 3 and then ultimately one. But I'm glad that I've been supported.
Ma'am, what will be your criteria to choosing the finalists today, the winner today, both the Mr. Kunal? What will be your criteria?
I think, really for me, confidence, a sense of self, and somebody who, of course, I would like them to be articulate. I would want them not to have stage fright, because often you're under the lights. It's that moment that counts. So also a little, je ne sais quoi, a little mystery factor, something that makes them stand apart. A sense of uniqueness and a sense of ownership over the fact that this is who I am, and they're able to represent themselves well.
Well, she said everything that I could possibly
There's nothing
say.
left.
French bits
She's
that I
left
said, yeah.
nothing to me. I think I think really what is really important is something called the X factor, which is very difficult to define. I think when you see somebody and you see them on stage, like Soha said, is that sense of self, individuality, confidence, and obviously somebody that can articulate well. But I think it all sort of, sometimes you just see someone and you know that this is a person that is special, and this is a person that deserves to win the crown. And I think we'll know soon enough.
Mrs. India, Mrs. World is one of the oldest and the most authentic platform that we have had, and we have completed. Mrs. World has completed around 50 years.
Mrs. World started in 1984 and was the first ever international magnet for married women. And the Mrs. World organization is based out of California and was started by Mr. David Marmel. Currently, we have over 80 countries around the world serving as our directors, and it maintains itself as the leader and the most prestigious magnet for international married women today. And we are excited to potentially welcome a new Mrs. World who could be from India, because as representing India at the next Mrs. World.
My next question is to Mahima. Your association with Miss India.
Okay, so my association with Mohini and Mrs. India has been like, I was there with them at the North Zone audition. So I kind of know the contestants, like I know where they're coming from and the whole grooming and everything's happened. So I really want to see, like I'm looking forward to seeing how they are now after spending all that time with her and all the experts. And also what I'm looking forward to is all 51 of them will be in my outfits.
Yes.
So yeah, I'm really looking forward to how they've styled them.
Any names?
Any tips?
Just don't fall on stage. I think, like she said.
Even if
I
you
think
fall,
that's
even
very.
if you fall, just
get up with some
yeah,
sort of
rise
dignity.
up.
Don't collapse into a
Yeah.
heap of tears.
Yeah, I think
It'll
that's.
all be fine. It's too late for tips now.
Yeah.
I really think that it sounds trite, but I feel that if you are happy, if you're content, it sort of radiates from within. And if you are just able to be comfortable in your own skin, which can sometimes be hard. I think that people are naturally attracted to people who are easygoing, who are comfortable, who are confident. And I think that that's beautiful. If you can also sing and play the guitar, I find that especially attractive.
Well, I'm also here because I have a crowdfunding platform called Kettle, and we've collaborated
Yes.
with Mrs. India. And what's wonderful is all the ladies are coming together, and they're going to raise money. They have raised money for CPAA,
Yes.
which is the Cancer Patients Aid Association. So in that context, I think what makes somebody really beautiful is when they give back to society. And I think all these ladies have come together, they've raised this money for this wonderful NGO. And I think in that sense, each one of them is a winner.
My question to you: what made you
Oh, beautiful question actually. So it was 2016 when I won the title of Mrs. India, and I had the privilege to represent India at Mrs. World. And I felt that there's a lot a woman can learn, there's a lot at this age, there's a lot a woman can, bring in herself. And the scope is limitless. Well, I just started to provide that transformation. I just started that grooming. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना, जो हमने देखा हमारे पीछे वाले उससे अच्छा देखे. That's how you live for your generations. With that intention, I think I started with this. And I wasn't the fortunate one to win the crown of Mrs. World, but I'm sure soon there'll be one.